What's up guys? I want to give a huge shout out to AUTOONE for sending me these HID headlights for my Dodge Charger. Some of the stuff that it comes with is gloves, a card that tells you about the warranty and the product specifications and what comes in the box. And then here's what we came for, the actual HID bulbs. The bulbs I chose for my Dodge Charger are the DS3 6000K. With chargers, you just take the cap off of the headlight. This is the passenger side. Orange part right there is connected to it. Also, when you take it off, you gotta make sure you take that beige ring around it off. Here I got my old headlight. Now we got the new HIDs from AUTOONE. So let's go ahead and install it back in. Now I got it connected. All I gotta do is put it back in and tighten it up. Okay, so the left side is the AUTOONE HID and the right side is the factory one. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference, but I can. It's a slight bluer tint to it. Now we're gonna get to the driver's side. I found a little hack for the chargers. Just go through the fender well. You should be able to access it, even though it's gonna be tight. I finally got it out, and now we gotta take that ring off to the next ring. I hurt myself a little bit, but that don't matter. But yeah, so now we gotta take that ring off and put it on the new one. Boom, there you go. And this is how the headlights look on my Dodge Charger. I think got a bit of a bluer look to it. See, look, we all good, we all good. Now let's see the nighttime look. Right here, it looks good, complements the car, still has that whitish bluish look. You can see how far the light goes. Now let's see how it looks like on the road. Keep in mind that I got a tinted windshield and the visibility is great with these headlights. My factory ones, it was hard to see, now no problem. Once again, shout out to AUTOONE for sending me these HID headlights and making my Charger look even better.